This night prayer can change the way you see your entire life. Because there are people lying in bed right now with heavy hearts, not only because of the exhaustion of the day, but because of the weight of the years that have passed. People who smile on the outside, but inside carry a silent pain when thinking about everything that never happened. Dreams left behind, missed opportunities, interrupted plans, years marked by fear, anxiety, sadness, confusion, and nights when it felt impossible to keep going. Maybe you are listening to this prayer feeling left behind, as if everyone else is moving forward while your life has remained stuck. And the worst feeling is not only the pain, but the feeling of being late. The feeling of looking at your own story and thinking, I should be farther ahead. My life should look different by now. But listen to this with all the strength in your heart before you go to sleep tonight. God has not finished your story. Time may have wounded you, but it is not greater than the God who restores destinies. The Lord does not look at your lost years and panic. He does not become desperate because of the delays in your life. While you were crying, thinking everything was over, God was still writing chapters your eyes could not see. Maybe tonight is exactly the moment heaven wants to remove from your heart the lie that it is too late for you. Because it is not over. As long as there is breath within you, God can still restore what once seemed impossible to recover. So close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and allow this prayer to touch the most tired parts of your soul. Because tonight the Lord wants to heal the pain of lost time. Beloved Father, tonight I place myself before your presence carrying pains that many times no one can understand. Pains hidden behind smiles, silent pains that appear when everything becomes quiet and the mind starts returning to the past. Lord, you know every tear shed in secret. You know how many times I looked at my life and felt ashamed for not being where I imagined I would be. How many times I compared myself to other people and felt my heart tighten as I watched everyone moving forward while I felt stuck. Father, there are people listening to this prayer who are tired of carrying guilt, tired of feeling like they have failed too much, tired of fighting thoughts that say there is no hope left. But tonight I ask you, touch every wounded heart deeply. Heal the mind of those who live trapped in the past and cannot believe in a different future. Let every voice of condemnation lose its power now. Let every lie saying, you ruined everything, be broken by your presence. Because your voice is not condemnation, your voice is redemption. You are the God who enters broken stories and causes hope to rise where only sadness existed. Lord, your word declares that you restore the years that were consumed. And that is exactly what I ask of you tonight. Restore the years of my life that seem lost. Restore what fear destroyed. Restore what anxiety delayed. Restore what emotional pain stole from me. Restore the joy that disappeared in the middle of the battles. Restore the hope that was erased by disappointments. Father, there are people listening to this prayer who can no longer believe that something good can still happen. People who have become used to simply surviving, without expectations, without dreams, without light in their eyes. But today the Lord is saying, I still know how to perform miracles in the lives of those who think it is too late. And I pray now that this truth enters deeply into the heart of everyone listening to this prayer. Let every feeling of delay be replaced by the peace that comes from trusting in God's timing. Because your timing never fails. Your silence does not mean abandonment. While human beings look at clocks, you look at purpose. While we see delay, you are preparing something deeper than we can imagine. Maybe what looked like delay was actually protection. Maybe what looked like a closed door was deliverance. Maybe what looked like waste was preparation. Lord, help us understand that not every hidden season is wasted time. There are roots being strengthened in silence to sustain what is still going to bloom. And even if today the person cannot see anything happening, the Lord continues working behind the scenes of their life, continuing to heal invisible wounds, strengthening fragile areas, and preparing paths that have not yet been revealed. Therefore, tonight I place into your hands every tired, frustrated, and discouraged person. May they feel peace as they sleep tonight. May they feel hope slowly returning to their hearts. And tomorrow, when they open their eyes, may they remember a truth they must never forget again. God still writes beautiful stories with lives that almost gave up.